poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today you are back for a brand new Restock My Slime Shop with me video. It has been a hot minute. I haven't done one in a while because I haven't had a full restock in a while. But this week is the week. It's a very exciting week because I have the restock going on and I have a song coming out. You'll learn more about that later in the video, but I'm just really excited. I hope that with this video, I'm able to entertain you all because of all the nationwide like quarantines and things like that that's happening with the coronavirus. Also, I definitely want y'all to see how the slime is being made and what is going into the slime as well. I think that's a really good thing to kind of see what's being put into your product so you know exactly what you're buying. And also just to let you know that normally I do have a staff, but until the coronavirus kind of settles down, it is just gonna be me making and packaging your slimes so that we minimize the risk of anything happening, like any kind of contamination. I don't really go out or do anything, so I don't think I can get the coronavirus anytime soon, but you know what I'm saying, you know, I wanted to keep it as sanitary as possible. So that is why it's just gonna be me, and that is why I also wanted y'all to see how I'm making all the slimes and things like that. I wash my hands constantly, that's why they're super dry. So yeah, I don't really like long intros, but it had to be said. Let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so we're gonna start this restock video off with Chanel number 2, my bestseller. I've showed y'all how to make this plenty of times, but I don't think I've ever showed you how to make it in a big mixer. So I have a gallon of glue all here, and then also this was 1/3 of a gallon of clear glue draining into my bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and let that drain, and then we're gonna add in our fun stuff. Alrighty, now I'm gonna add in some baby oil. We don't use exact measurements, so I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. Okay, that's good. Next, I'm also gonna add in some of this vegetable glycerin. We buy it by the gallon, which I definitely recommend if you have a shop. The only thing is it gets very oily because it spills. Just the way the bottle's designed, I guess. So like, I don't know if you can tell, but just the entire bottle is super oily. It's like all over my hands already, and I just picked it up, so that's fun. Let's see if I can add the glycerin in one-handed. Okay, barely. And of course, you know I love adding in my lotion. I like to add a lot of lotion. And next I'm gonna add in this pink parfait paint. It is from Apple Barrel. I get this at Walmart. I just did an entire video showing how to make my bestseller, so check that out if you haven't yet. If you see Daiso clay on the floor, it's because of Mud Mask. And then of course the scent. So Bubblicious here and Bubblegum. Alright, now we can go ahead and mix this all together. Now we are activating. Alrighty, here it is, all nicely made. Sorry about all the shadows, it's super cloudy outside. And Holden is just snorting away in here. Perfect. Alright, I'm gonna add a drop of pink. This is gel coloring, so I don't wanna add too much at first. I think this pastel pink is perfect, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add in some glitter to this and then some instant snow, and then we could just activate it. Alright, so I'm adding in iridescent glitters. Those are so pretty. Next, some pink glitters. It's both fine and chunky glitter. Let's go ahead and give that a whirl. Alrighty, now I'm adding in some instant snow. This is not like super wet instant snow, however I did activate it a little bit with some water. Just don't add too much. You don't want the snow to be too wet. Then here's my second bowl. And the third and last bowl of damp snow. Okay, I just added a little bit more pink glitters just to give it some more sparkle, and now I'm gonna go ahead and mix. Alright, our jelly is fresh out of the mixer. It just needs time to clear up and get nice and chill before I scent it and all that stuff, but I want to go ahead and add in some add-ins as well. So I actually asked y'all on Instagram if y'all wanted me to add in these pom-poms to this jelly, and y'all said y'all did. So we're gonna go ahead and add in some of these cute pastel pom-poms. I still don't know what I'm calling this slime, but it's definitely gonna be like Easter vibes. Honestly, that's actually a good name. Maybe I should just call this Easter vibes. I don't know, we'll see. That'd kind of be cute, I think. This looks so pretty. I cannot wait to see it cleared up. It's gonna be so pretty. I almost dropped it, but that's okay. We saved it. I'm also gonna add like confetti sprinkles in this, and then it's gonna come with either like a bunny charm or a duck charm. So cute. Alrighty, next up I have some school glue in my bowl here, draining, and I'm going to be making a really cool slime. It's going to be the official slime for my new song that is coming out this Friday called Be My Slime. That's right, it's a slime song, so I'm really excited about this. So for those of you who don't know yet, I actually have a song coming out this Friday on the 20th, which is so insane to say. I am really excited about it. It's called Be My Slime. It is a slime song, but it's not as corny as it sounds. At least I hope to y'all it's not gonna be as corny as it sounds. I did a really good job, I feel like, of mixing like pop R&B / rap sounds and including it like with some slime language and slime sounds. Yes, I did poke slime in front of a microphone and use that as beats and stuff like that. Also slime sizzles are in there as well. It's a really cool song and I'm really excited, so I had to make an official slime for it, and I really hope y'all check it out. It's gonna be everywhere on all streaming platforms on Friday the 20th. Alright, I'm gonna add in some yellow food coloring. I am gonna add in some yellow clay to this as well, but I wanna make sure that this is super bright yellow. And this is gel coloring here, if it'll come out. It's so thick it doesn't even like want to come out. There's some in here, I promise. Of course I have to add in some lotion. I love adding lotion to all of my slimes. Makes it nice, stretchy, and soft and smooth. Now the scent of the slime is going to be super fun, so I'm going to be using this iced pineapple scent along with some orange soda pop and some Jamaican Me Crazy here. Jamaican Me Crazy is like a mixture of tropical fruits. So it's gonna smell really, really nice, bright, and fruity, and I'm really excited. The song I would describe as like really bright, so that's why I went with these scent combination here, or this scent combination here, because it kind of matches the vibe of the song, you know? Oopsie, I just added in the pineapple, but I totally forgot to record it, but y'all can totally see that it's in there now. Next up is the orange soda pop. This smells like super mouth-watering on its own. And now some good old Jamaican Me Crazy. Alright, so my base for the Be My Slime official slime is ready. Now we just have to add in our clay. I'm going to be adding in all of this yellow clay. This is yellow Daiso clay. It's not going to make it a full butter, but it's going to be like a really nice clay slime, so I'm really excited about that. Alrighty, so I have 10 bricks of my yellow Daiso clay in here. Now it is time to just go ahead and mix it all up. Alright, this baby is done. All the clay is mixed in. It smells beautiful. She is thick, smooth and creamy. Kind of feels like a marshmallow, to be honest. This is so buttery and perfect. I'm so excited. It's gonna be super cute. This slime is gonna be topped with pink, white, and red hearts because it's a love song, and also it's like the color scheme of the cover art. So yeah, it just really ties everything together. It's gonna be super cute and I'm really excited. Hope y'all snatch this one. Alright, next up I wanna go ahead and make a slime that right now I'm calling Pastel Crunchy Cake, but that could change. I don't know if I really like sticking with that name, but we shall see. It's going to be a semi-foam scented just like this here, fresh peach and buttercream cupcake. So it's gonna smell like a peach cupcake. Super sweet and nice, and I'm really excited. Alrighty, so I have some school glue draining into my bowl. I'm gonna add in some lotion as well, because you know I gotta have my lotion in my slimes. Just gonna go ahead and pump a couple of these bad boys in. Next in goes the scent. So this is the fresh peach scent. Now buttercream cupcake, I can't speak, is going in. This is so sweet. I love this scent. Alrighty, I do want the color of the slime to be like a pastel peach, so I have some orange coloring here that I'm gonna add in. Not too much, but that should be good. I can always add more later. Then I'm also gonna add in some pink. Maybe just 2 drops at first, we'll see. Alright, let's go ahead and mix this baby up. This baby is done. It feels super nice. Really thick, but also stretchy as well. We stand. So I have a bunch of pastel foam beads here that I'm gonna like mix together and add to the slime. I am also gonna mix these orange sprinkles with these pastel sprinkles here as well to top the slimes with once the beads rise to the top. It's gonna look super cute. I have a feeling, I just know it. So this is the bead mix that we're gonna be using for this slime here. Bunch of orange beads and also pastel colored beads. I'm gonna just add a little bit of orange sprinkles because I want to make a little Instagram video pouring this into the beads. So if you want to see me pour this slime into the beads, go check out my Instagram at Unicorn Slime Shop. It will be up by the time you watch this video. And it's done. You can hardly tell there's slime in here, right? Well, there most definitely is. It's like overfilling. Bubble pops. Alrighty y'all, it is time to make some Baja Blast. So I got a clear glue gallon here. Actually right now at the time that I'm recording this video, it is actually St. Patrick's Day. So happy belated St. Patrick's Day to you all. Hope y'all all were able to make some green beer or green Sprite at home and was just able to chill since we're all kind of quarantined and stuff. Please, I hope you didn't go out. Let's just try not to do that if we don't have to, okay? Alright, so my glue is in the bowl and I just added in my scents as well. If you want to see the exact scent blend that I used to make Baja Blast, go ahead and check out my last video where I exposed how I made my best-selling slime recipes. Shameless promo, but yeah, go check that out. So now I'm gonna add in some food coloring. This here is neon blue. So I'm gonna add about 8 drops at first, and then we'll do, let's do 6 of the green. Let's mix that up. Now that the color is exactly the way I wanted, all I have to do is activate the slime, and then we go ahead and add in our snow. Alrighty, so the base is now done here. I did overactivate it a slight bit. I like to overactivate the slime a little bit, at least the base, just so that when I add in that snow, it doesn't get melted down too much. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do now, is add in the snow. Alright, so I got my damp instant snow here. I'd like to add a little bit of water into my instant snow, just so that it's not so dry. But I don't want it too wet, because I don't like a wet slime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this in a little bit at a time. I would say this was about 6 ounces of dry snow, and then I just added a little bit of water, probably not even like half a cup of water. So yeah, let's go ahead and empty this in there. And we'll give this a mix. It's definitely going to need more than this though. This is just the first batch of snow that I'm going to be adding in. So as you can see now, we have a nice little clear-based cloud cream going on. But we're looking for a really drizzly cloud dough, so we're not stopping here. We're gonna add more snow. Let's hope I don't make a mess while doing this. And just like that, a gallon of Baja Blast is done. It gets a lot drizzlier and icy like once it sits, so that's why it looks a little bit different now. But it's gonna be good, I promise. Next up, we're gonna be making a slime called Unicorn Pudding Cup. So this one here is going to be a school glue thickie. So I have some school glue draining into my bowl here. I want the slime to be two-tone colors, so I am going to just make it white first and then separate it and then add the color in later. So to scent the slime, I'm gonna be using this homemade cheesecake scent and then also this blue cotton candy scent. Normally, I would never use these little bottles because it's not enough to scent like a whole gallon. But since I'm gonna be combining it all together, it's gonna be perfect. So I'm really excited. It's gonna smell really nice and sweet, just like a unicorn pudding cup should smell. All right, so all this is going in there. And then some cheesecake. I've gotta, of course, add my lotion. I literally add lotion to all of my slimes if you haven't noticed, except for like my clear slimes, obviously. I also wanna add in some glycerin. Hard to do one-handed. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and mix everything together. Alrighty, so now it is time to activate the slime. I have my activator solution in here. This is borax and water. The difference between what I'm gonna do now and what I always do is that this borax solution is super strong. I put 6 teaspoons in here when normally I would only put 2. This is only 2 cups of water, so normally I would just put 1 teaspoon to 1 cup of water, but we want this to be a school glue thickie, so we want to introduce less water into our slime as possible. So that means you have to make your borax activator solution a little bit stronger. If you hear me just mixing it, it's just because I just made it. I want to make sure that all the granules of borax are dissolved, and then we can go ahead and activate our slime. I hope that makes sense. So basically, the more borax you add into your like water to make your solution, the better. That way you introduce the least amount of water possible into your slime so it doesn't become jiggly and it's more thick. All right, let's activate this baby. This is a lot stronger, so just add a little bit at a time. Look at how thick and beautiful this is. No glue all, no clear glue to thicken this whatsoever. It's just school glue. We stand. Alright, so I have half of the batch back in the mixer here. We're gonna go ahead and color it. I'm gonna use the same paint that I used for Chanel. So that side is gonna be like Chanel colored, I guess you could say. So let's give that a mix. Oh no, y'all, look at this. One of my food colorings literally busted. It's this yellow one. Oh no, what a mess. It's like almost everywhere. I was looking for my turquoise food coloring and I felt something sticky. I was like, what the heck? And yeah, the yellow just busted. I am just thankful that it was yellow and not a darker color like blue or green. All right, this color is perfect. Now this half, I want it to be like a turquoisey color, but I don't want it to be too dark. So let's just start off with that and see what that gives us. All right, this color is perfect, exactly what I was envisioning. It kind of looks just blue on camera, I'm looking at on the screen right now, but it has more of like a green tint to it, almost kind of like Baja Blast color. So it's kind of funny, it's like Chanel and Baja Blast together. Totally was not meant to do that, but I dig it. So I'm thinking for the unicorn pudding cups, I want to make a sprinkle mix out of these, and then I also have like hearts as well in this color scheme. So I'm thinking that I should do that and maybe put them like in little packs for y'all to mix them in yourselves. I don't know, we'll see. Also y'all, I'm gonna have limited amounts of mud mask in the restock. I'm gonna have about 10 of them only. I know that's only a little bit, but I wasn't able to get my Daiso clay in on time, so half a batch is gonna have to do. Sorry about that. Don't forget that if you want to see how all these slimes turned out and what they look like in their completed versions, to check out my restock video that's going to be uploaded this Friday. So stay tuned for that. It usually goes up about an hour or two before the restock goes live. That way you can see what you want ahead of time and you can be on time for the shop when it opens at 6. Alrighty y'all, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know if you're going to be snatching from this restock. Also, are you going to be buying my song or at least streaming it on Apple Music or Spotify, please? Because I worked really hard on it for 2 hours. I'm really proud of the song and I really cannot wait for you all to hear it. So yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much. Thank you for everything. I hope y'all are staying safe and I will see you all next time. Bye.